How to control brightness on iPhone. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to control brightness on iPhone. Now let's get started. First we need to open our settings app. Then we should scroll down and find option display and brightness and tap on it. In appearance menu we can change the appearance of the screen. For example, we can choose light or dark, or do it automatically from sunset to sunrise, or just customize it. Also, we can control brightness by ourselves just by scrolling, and we can turn on option True Tone, which makes screen more enjoyable while reading. And that's all. It was how to control brightness on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.